We've come a long way. The concept is solid. The design is developed. The coordination is mostly done. Now it's time to document everything. We're entering the construction documentation phase, or CDs, where the project is translated into precise instructions that can be priced, permitted, and built. Construction documents are the final set of drawings and specifications. They're not just a clean version of the design development. They are the contractual document that define what is being built, how it will be built, and how it will be priced and reviewed. With all the different disciplines drawings we've been developing, this set will include a full specifications, often organized using CSI master format. This is where clarity matters the most. If a single drawing is vague, a contractor may guess. If a dimension is missing, you might get a dozen of RFIs. If code compliance is not clear, your permit could be delayed for weeks. CDs are what get submitted for permits, used to solicit bids, and build the physical structure. Every detail, from material thickness to stair riser height, must be right. This is where the architects start finalizing all the details. The structural engineer locks in column sizes and rebar schedules. The MEP team confirms rooftop unit placement and duct sizing. Our life safety plans show egress paths, fire-rated walls, and exit signs. These sets are reviewed by code officials, priced by GCs, and handed down to subs. The better, the detailed the documents are, the smoother the job site will be. Now, not all CDs are equal. If this were a federal or public project, we'd also be including much more details. We'd also maybe including anti-terrorism protection diagrams, special fire alarm sequencing, FAR or GSA-specific spec sections, or even separate sets for sensitive review agencies. The process is the same, but the complexity increases. At this point of the project, we're maybe operating at LOD 350 to 400, meaning systems are not only defined, they're coordinated with precision. But what exactly is LOD? It stands for Level of Development, a scale used in BIM and design to show how detailed each phase of the project is. Pre-design phase, usually LOD 100, massing and volume studies. Schematic design, LOD 200, general layouts and system zones. Design development, LOD 300, accurate geometry and major coordination. Construction documentation, 350, detailed cross-strait coordination. Construction and fabrication, LOD 400, fabrication ready details. As-built and handover, LOD 500, verified field accurate models. On large projects, LOD 500 supports facility teams and long-term operations, creating a true digital twin. So even though we're just drawing, the level of detail we're working at can define how well this building gets built and maintained. Once the construction documents are complete, the project is ready for the review, not just by the owner and the contractor, but by the city too. Before we can bid, build, or break ground, we need approval to proceed. In the next episode, we will walk through the permitting process, how drawings are reviewed by code officials, what gets submitted, and how long it can actually take to get the green light. We're stepping into compliance, from concept to closeout.